Hello, I'm Artrevion Williams. A lot of people just call me Trey because I don't want to butcher my name. But I go to the Crossing in Fort Wayne. I first got into the Crossing when I went to Pierceton, Indiana, because I was in placement and I was doing an independent living program called Lifeline. And their schooling program was the Crossing, and they would help me stay on track in school so I wouldn't fall behind. And then eventually I graduated that program and I moved here to Fort Wayne to Phase 2 in the Spencer home. And they were also a part of the Crossing. And so they sent me here so that I can continue to get my education so I can graduate on time. Yeah, they helped me process certain stuff during family time. You know, we talk about feelings. You know, I see I'm not the only person with the type of problems that I have, you know, and I can relate to other people. And then, you know, by sharing my story, I get to help them out, or, you know, they help me out, you know, help me see the world in a different way. Without the Crossing, you know, I wouldn't even be getting my diploma on time. I wouldn't be graduating this June so I can go to college in the fall. The person that impacted me the most is actually a student, you know. From her, you know, I learned how to be a better person, you know, that I am doing good and I'm influencing people with my story. And basically, you know, she inspired me to tell my story to other people, to help them, you know, to help make the world a better place. Well, you know, I don't think that I'm the perfect Christian, but, you know, I'm not gonna conform to you know, Christianity or whatever. I'm gonna, you know, progressively try to change myself. My career plans for when I get out of the Crossing, when I graduate this week or next week, is to, I was gonna go to college in Fort Wayne. I was probably gonna go to IPFW for 2 years, get my generals. My name is Artrevion Williams, and I'm proud to be class of 2013. We should do bloopers when y'all send the videos. Y'all should put it in like the bloopers toward the end of all the videos.
That would be cool.